Let's try this. Oh, look at this. Good of you out here. What?
Elevator stop, it's over there.
Just going up to 8. I think it's 8. Oh, I hit down. I meant to hit up.
How I can find Pepsi concourse?
Yeah. Oh, this is the up one.
Oh, this side.
This goes to 8?
There's Pepsi concourse. It's over there.
Came with us the pieces.
Eight.
Minus. Numbers confuse me. Yeah. So I work in that. I do it.
I ought to independent. Hold it down. Or never mind. You put it as independent.
But you first from here, it looks like an 8.
Yeah.
Sure.
You want to borrow?
Yeah. Like I was in, last time I was in the Netherlands, I did an eye test. I'm like blind, like I only see 30% from what I see.
Schindler.
So there you go.
You know what? That's more fun.
There we go. Much better. And I'm pretty sure I go this way. That was a quick ride in sweet elevators. That's it.